ROG Phone 3. I gotta really say friends, this is one of the world's fastest phone I've ever seen. This phone is a processor of Snapdragon 865 Plus, which makes it a beast. This phone's refresh rate is 144 Hz, which gives a fluid like flow. And so now guys, no wait, let's get to the unboxing video. This is the Flipkart's first retail unit of the version, 256 GB gigs of storage and 12 gigs of RAM. Oh, it's really hard. I think I almost got it. Yeah, I think. I spotted the phone's box inside. So this is ROG Phone 3's box. At the back of the box, the phone's version has been displayed and IMEI's numbers has been also displayed, I think. So let's unwrap the wrapper. Everything in this phone's box is hard. Okay, I think I got it. The phone's box has been given in matte finish, I think. The letters have been displayed in chrome type and you can see the ROG symbol. ROG means Republic of Gamers. I will take the box and keep it aside for those who dare. So let's take the mini box inside it. Okay, first let's check what's inside this box. And we've got a pin to open the SIM tray, and we got case, warranty card, manual, IMEI number stickers, and ROG Phone 3's sticker and all. You can stick wherever you want. And we got the phone's case, which is given in jet pack. I think I like the phone's case. Okay, let's take the phone. I thought the phone will be really heavy. It's not much. These are similar to other ones. Okay, first is let's check under the phone's box. We've got a J dongle to connect the 3.5mm jack to the phone, and we've got 30 watts hypercharger, which lets your phone charge in 1.5 hours, which is enough, I think. And we got type C to type C charger cable. So I think that's it under the box. So finally we have to check the phone. Again, so let's unwrap the wrapper. I'm so hyped guys. This phone's a gamer's dream, I took the wrapper. Wow guys, this phone's screen is very huge. And the glass back is very shiny. I can really feel the grip. For a gamer, the phone would be a beast, I think. Okay, let's just do the setup. I think I have almost done the setup fully. So guys, I'll post another video on the ROG Phone 3's performance, so please wait. Although this is an unboxing video, I can really feel the refresh rate now. Let's just fix the case. And this phone is a monster. Okay, let's just have a quick review of specs. This phone's processor is Snapdragon 865 Plus, has GPU of Adreno 650, and its ROM and RAM is 256 gigs and 12 GB gigs. And this OS is Android 10 ROG UI and has a refresh rate of 144Hz. And this price is nearly $750, which in India this is nearly 60k. This phone is a fire, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're a gamer and if you have bugs, you should really go for it. So don't forget to subscribe, like the button, share to your friends, and if you have any thought on your mind, leave it in the comment section. Thank you.